Acha. First, today we will write some rules, the rules of divisibility. Okay, prime number, co-prime number, okay, twin prime, this type of thing. Okay. Acha, before that, here first it is written the rules of divisibility. Acha, these are basically, I am not written in a long way, not a long statement. Okay, just the main thing, the keynotes. Okay, you have listened about keywords, na? Here it is keynotes. Only the main part. After seeing that statement, you can understand. Acha, this one was like this. Okay, so no need to write the all thing. Acha, now look at this. First you are not going to write these rules of divisibility. Okay, first you will write these three things: prime number, composite numbers, and co-prime number. These three things. The screen,
we have read it in the
Screen gone.
now
black. I'm coming and
No, ma'am. It is gone only.
And the screen is black.
Ma'am, I am
Now?
writing from my screenshot.
acha, now.
Yes, ma'am.
I also have to
Okay.
take screenshot.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now stay muted, all of you. Acha, basically, I have not written the full statement. The main thing, first prime number, which is divisible by 1 and itself. Okay, basically here it should be the statement, a number which is divisible by 1. Who is saying right now good afternoon? Okay, basically the full statement to us, the number which is divisible by 1 and itself is known as prime number, right? So I have not written this extra word. Okay, only the main thing I have written. You will also write in this way: prime number hyphen wait.
Have to write?
What, Trisha?
Ma'am, can you tell from where we have to write?
This one, just give heading keynotes. Okay, then prime number, this one, hyphen the exactly which one is written on the screen, you will write that part. Okay, because I have written only the main part here. No extra word. Okay, nothing extra is there. Prime number, now let me explain. You are writing too? Ashmita?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. We are writing.
Okay, and also listen to me. Prime number basically the number which is divisible by 1 and that number itself means what? Factor, already I have explained about factor. Factor is done though. So suppose 15. Okay, basically only divisible by 1 and itself means that 2 factor, it has, the number has only 2 factors, that is the 1 and then number itself. Okay, now here let me take the number 15. If we are taking 15, what will be its factor? 1, 3, 3 5s are 15 na? 5 and 15, yes, so factor multiple already you learned. So now look at this, how many factors are there? 4 factors are there na? That means 15 is divisible by all these factor 1, 3, 5 and 15. So is 15 prime number? Is 15 prime number? Yes
No,
or
ma'am.
no?
It's a composite number.
No, ma'am. It is composite
No, ma'am.
number.
It is composite number.
Basically, yes, good. Basically, that is composite. So, what is the main difference between prime and composite? Prime number has only 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. But composite number, it has
More than that.
More than that. That means at least minimum 1 extra factor will be there.
Yes,
1 and that number itself. This should be wait. At the time of explaining, no need to say ma'am for any extra reason. If it is related to maths, then only ask. Who is saying ma'am? Tell me your name.
Ma'am, Osmita Das.
Ashmita, acha. You want to ask any question related to this problem?
No,
yes
no,
or
ma'am.
no? I know.
joined.
This type of
Ma'am,
extra
I have-
issue. Wait. You have joined late. Okay. For that, I'll upload the video. Okay. No need to say every day, ma'am, I have joined late. Can you show me the first question? Okay. Now just listen to me. Okay. And as this is math subject, so at the time of explanation, don't interrupt or don't make any disturbance. Okay. Ashmita, first try to understand this one. Okay. Then I'm coming. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. Acha. So Ashmita, have you understood prime number and composite number?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Good. Acha. Suppose we are taking 11. So what will be this? Prime or composite?
Ma'am, it's a
Okay.
prime number.
Prime
Ma'am,
number,
prime
ma'am.
number.
Only one
prime
can
number.
be.
When I told you to say, let me take a name. I'm asking to Ashmita too. Ashmita, this one is prime or composite?
Ma'am, prime number.
Prime. Why?
Because ma'am, this is 11.
This is 11. Basically, we cannot break it into prime factorization. The factors are only 11 and 1. Right? The number itself and 1. So now let me come to co-prime number. Co-prime number means only 1 is the common factor. Achha, this is the main statement is given. Okay, basically the full statement will be if we take any two numbers, then only 1 will be common factor of that two number. Then these two numbers are said to be co-prime to each other. Okay, no need to write the full statement. Okay, just write the key word. Okay, key statement. Only 1 is the common factor of two numbers. You can also write this one of two numbers. BERS. Okay.
But ma'am, I can't understand. Can you explain it
yes,
by
I'll explain.
examples?
Yes, I'll explain it. Okay. At first, write this. Acha, basically, co-prime means what? The statement all of you written though?
Yes, ma'am, written.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, written.
That means suppose we are taking any two numbers. Okay. Suppose we are taking 5 and 7. Okay. We have taken two numbers. Now look. What is the common factor of 5? If we break into prime factorization, 5 into 1. Na? So we can write 5 is equal to 5 into 1. Debolin, this one is clear though?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, for in case of 7 also, if we break it into prime factorization, then it will also be 7 is equal to 7 into 1. Yes. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
now after breaking it into prime factorization, just check which one are the common in both of them. In 5 look, 5 into 1. In 7, it is 7 into 1. Which one is common? This one is common. This one is in both of them. Yes, though. That means if we get only 1 as a common factor, then we can say 5 and 7 are co-prime number of each other. Now it is clear to all of you. So
But ma'am, if the question comes in composite number, then
I am coming to that point. Okay, wait. Acha, Shaurjas is up to this understood or not?
Yes, ma'am, understood.
Okay, all of you to Orithro, Mirza, Orgodi,
Yes,
Maji.
ma'am.
Ma'am, you can repeat again.
Yes, definitely. Let me take two composite number. Okay. Acha, not two composite, one prime, another composite first. Okay. Suppose I am taking 5 and 9. Okay. Acha, if we break 5 into prime factorization, it will be 5 into 1. Yes or no?
yes, ma'am. 5 into
Yes,
1.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
If we break this
Yes,
9,
ma'am.
then it will be 3 3s are 9. 3 into 3 into 1. Basically, look at this. 3 3s are 9. 3 is prime number. So, you can stop here. But we can also do this one. So, 3 1s are 3. This one is also done. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, okay, so 3 into 3 into 1. Why we are taking this one? Because we have to check whether what is the common factor or not. Look at this. Here 5 is not common, 3 is not common, this 3 is not common. But look, this 1 and this 1, both are common na in 5 and 9? Yes, Debolin.
Yes, ma'am. It is common.
Yes,
1
ma'am.
and 1.
So only 1 is the common factor. Only 1 is the common factor. So any other factor is there which is common in both the numbers?
No, ma'am.
No. That means if only 1 is the common factor, we can easily say 5 and 9. Both are co-prime number of each other. Now it is clear to all of you. Orgodip Maji, your video is paused. Ashmita, Trisha, Anuva. Acha, Anuva, see. Anuva,
Yes, ma'am.
you have understood or not?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you explain for some big number like ma'am 32 and 49?
Yes. Acha, all of you understood this one, so yes or no?
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, I am taking 42 and 48, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
42. First, let me break it into prime factorization, okay? 48. Look, 221 is 42. This breaking, so you know, na?
Yes,
First
ma'am.
chapter I completed. Acha, okay.
Yes, ma'am. Already.
Yes,
3 sevens are 21, then 7 1 is 7. Done. So in case of 42, we can write 42 is equal to 2 into 3 into 7 into 1. This one is
1.
clear? Okay. Now 48. 2 24 or 48. Yes, so then 2 12s.
Yes, ma'am.
2 6, 2 3 and 3 1. All of you are able to understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
48 is equal to, we can write this 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 1, right? How many 2s are there? 4 times.
Yes, ma'am.
Into 3
Yes,
into 1. Now just say, which one is common in both the numbers? In this prime factorization breaking, look, this 2 is common.
Ma'am, 2
This
and
3
1.
is common.
And 2 also.
1.
And 3 also.
3 also.
Yes,
3
ma'am. 1,
also.
2 and
3. Ma'am, 2, 3 and 1.
Yes. So that means more than 1, there are common factors. Only 1 is not the common factor. Yes, so
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
these
Yes,
are
ma'am.
not co-prime. Understood or not?
Not co-prime.
Okay, ma'am. We understood.
Okay. Have you completed this one?
Yes, ma'am. Keynotes
Yes,
done.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
And
Done,
ma'am,
okay.
may we have to memorize this?
Yes, you have to memorize this. Okay. Memorize means not that,
Ma'am,
not
what
that,
you are doing, you can say, because I was not present till now.
then if I repeat, dear, then the class will not be, even the syllabus will not be completed. Okay, just look at the video. Okay. If after, okay, after seeing the video, suppose again you are unable to understand, then tomorrow in my class you will say me, again I'll explain. Understood too?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, you
Okay.
started chapter 5.
Yes, chapter 6, chapter 5, Roman numerals, that is not in your syllabus. Chapter 6,
Oh.
okay? LCM
ma'am,
and ACF. Though I have not started LCM, ACF, just the definition I have done, huh? Prime, co-prime and composite. Achha, now let me show it, the rules of divisibility.
Ma'am, it is in the book only.
So,
No, ma'am, I am telling. Ma'am, we have to copy it.
what is going on?
Ma'am, screen gone. Please show
Ma'am, the screen gone.
Ma'am, please show the screen once. Ma'am, here is the network. So, ma'am, I can connect anytime, ma'am. That's why I am taking screenshots and pictures.
Hi, yes, you can take a screenshot, okay?
Ma'am,
No
we have to
issue.
write this in copy.
Look, you can take a screenshot, but today, right now, no need to write this one. Okay, just I am telling it. It will be uploaded. Okay, you will write in your copy as a homework. Okay, just
Okay,
write
ma'am.
it in your copy. Right now, let me explain this thing. No need to write this right now. Okay, just let me explain each of these. Acha,
Okay, ma'am.
you know about even number and odd
Okay,
number.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Even and odd. Even
Yes,
number
ma'am.
means the last digit or unit place digit will be 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. Yes, Tom?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And odd number means 1,
Ma'am.
3, 5. Say
Ma'am, 5, 7, and 9.
Ma'am, 5, 7, and 9.
9. Okay, unit place, last one, ones place. Okay,
Yes,
now
ma'am.
let me explain the rules. Rules of divisibility. When a number is said to be that it is divisible by 2, if the last place or ones place digit is even, that means if ones place digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Understood? Then it is divisible by 2. Is this clear to all of you?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, clear.
Acha.
Yes, ma'am.
This one is very much easy. Divisible by 2, divisible by 5. Let me explain the fourth one. Divisible by 5 when the last digit or unit place digit will be 0 or 5, any one of them. Suppose we are taking 20, then divided by 5, 4 5s are 20. Suppose we are taking 175. The ones place digit is 5. So 5 3s are 15 and 5 5s are 25, 35. Yes, Tom? So basically, if this ones
Yes, ma'am.
place digit is 0 or 5, then divisible by 5, 2, 5 and divisible by 10. If you can understand by its name even. 10 by 10 means always the last one or unit place digit will be 0. If the ones place digit is 0, then it is divisible by 10. These three is all of you, these three understood, Tom?
Yes, ma'am. We understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we understand.
Yes, ma'am. We
These
understand.
three is clear. Okay. Now let me explain the other one. Okay. Divisible by 3, actually basically which are important for your exam. 3, divisible by 4, divisible by 6, divisible by 7, by 8, by 9 and by 11. Understood?
Ma'am, these are important.
These are important. Yes. Basically, acha, mute yourself. Who is this?
Ma'am, Suhana.
Acha, basically, which are important, just note it in your copy. Point number 2, 3, 6, 7, acha, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 10. These points are important, okay? Just note it. Because when you will write this at your home, then you will put a star mark beside these points, huh?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now let me explain. Divisible by 3. Suppose we are taking any
Ma'am,
number.
after
Okay?
8, 10 or 11?
After 8, 10.
Okay, 10.
Achha,
Thank
I
you,
am
ma'am.
taking one number 123. Huh? Look at this. We are checking is it divisible by 3 or not. We are doing which one by 3. Okay. Then you will say, ma'am, we just can easily divide this by 3. 3 4s are 12. 3 1 is 3. Yes, Tom? But as this one is very small number, then it is very much easy to divide. In case of a big number, this division will take too long time. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So there is
Yes,
a
ma'am.
short rule. Okay, by 3. Suppose we are taking 123. What is that short rule? Just add all the digit. It is 1 plus 2 plus 3. It will be 6. So now just
Yes.
check whether 6 is divisible by 3 or not.
And 3 to the 6.
3 to
Yes,
the
ma'am.
Divisible.
exactly. Then if it is divisible by 3, then the original number, the given number is also divisible by 3. Then we can easily say 123 is divisible by 3. Okay. Now I am
Yes, ma'am.
giving you a big number. Suppose This one. Just add this and say
Ma'am,
whether
who is-
this one is. Just add this. Acha, Anuva is there. Anuva?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Anuva? No. Anuva, you are there? Response?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Have you understood too how to check?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I
Okay.
tell?
Now,
Ma'am, you can
Anubhav will
tell
say.
again because I can't understand by 3.
acha, by 3. Okay. Let me explain again. Basically, just add all the digits. This one, this one,
Ma'am,
this
this
one, and this one.
number will divisible by 3.
6 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. Just add. Okay. 6 plus 1, 7 plus 2, 9 plus 3. It will be 12.
12.
Now 12 is divisible by 3. 3 4s are 12.
3 4 the 12.
So 6123 is also divisible by 3. Now this one is clear to all of you.
Yes,
Acha,
ma'am.
the same rule.
Yes, ma'am.
The same rule is applicable for 9. Okay, one by one, the similarity I am making you understand. Divisible by 3 and divisible by 9. The rule is same. How? Suppose we are taking the same number, 6123. Huh? The same thing here we have to do. Sum of all the digits. Okay, just add them. 6 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. Okay, mute yourself, all of you. Now look, it will be 12. 12 though, the addition. Now it is divisible by 9 though. So we have to check whether this 12 is divisible by 9 or not. Check. No, 9
Not
one is 9.
divisible.
Not
No,
divisible.
ma'am.
So the original number 6123 is not divisible by 9. So the same rule, huh? Same process. Now let me give you one more number and all of you check it whether this one is divisible by 9 as well as 3 or not. Okay. Look.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
This one. Check it. Whether 7245.
Ma'am, I have got.
Okay, no need
Yes,
to say.
ma'am.
Acha, Junaid, Debolin, Divyanka, some student, I am telling the name. Don't say. Ipshit and Trisha also.
Hi.
Acha, is there, let me check.
Yes, ma'am, I have also got.
Oishi,
I have also got.
Oishi, you will say, huh, the answer. Oishi, beta, unmute yourself. Have you, are you
Ma'am, I
adding
am
this
also
too?
got the answer.
Okay, no need to say. Oishi,
I also got.
Ma'am, it is divisible.
it is divisible by 9. Why? The reason?
Ma'am, because by adding it, it is coming 18 and 9 2s are 18.
Exactly, good. So the rule, all of you understood though? Divisible by 3 and divisible by 9?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
there is also the some similar points in point number 3 and point number 7, divisible by 4 and divisible by 8. Now let me explain these two, huh? Okay, suppose a number we are getting 23,648. We have to check this one is divisible by 4 or not. Yes. So just check the last two digit, huh? Just take 1's place digit and 10's place digit. What will be this? 48, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Last
Which is
two digit is
divisible.
48. Just we have to check this one is divisible by 4 or not. If yes, then the original number is also divisible by 4. If no, then the original number, the given number is not divisible by 4. Got it, all of you? Again, let me explain. I am
Yes,
taking
ma'am.
23,648. Just take this last two digit, huh? It is 48. Now check whether this one is divisible by 4 or no. 4 12s are 48. Yes, though. So 48
Yes,
is
ma'am.
divisible. So 48
Yes, ma'am.
is divisible by 4.
Yes, ma'am, it is
That
divisible.
means the whole number is divisible by 4. So we can easily say 23,648 is divisible by 4. Have you understood this one? Yes or no? But don't shout.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I have understood properly.
Okay, now the same thing is going to happen for divisible by 8. Okay. What? Here only, just remember, in case of 4, we are taking last 2 digits though.
Yes, ma'am. In case of 8,
But
3
in
digits.
case of 8, exactly. In case of 8, we
Three
have to
digits.
take last 3 digits. Understood though?
Yes, ma'am.
648. Now you have no option. Basically, here you have to make the division. Huh? By 8, just 8 8s are 64. 8 1 is 8.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So it is divisible by, look, 881 is equal to, we are getting 648. So basically last 3 digit is divisible by 8. So we can easily say that the whole number 23,648 is also divisible by 8. Is it clear up to this? Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Tazib? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Amit Rajit is there?
Yes,
Or
ma'am.
only he is laughing. Well, let me check. Okay. Mirza, Shinjini, Tuhinur. Response, huh? Okay. Now, so this one done. Only left divisible by 6, 7 and 11. Okay, now 6 means there is a new rule, huh? For 6. Let me explain the 6. Divisible by 6. There is a new rule. Basically, if we break into prime factorization, then we'll get 6 is equal to what? 2 into 3, though. Yes, and 2 and 3 both are co-prime number.
Yes,
These
ma'am.
both are co-prime number, though.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
in case of this thing, we can say if a number is divisible by 2 as well as 3, then that number is divisible by 6. Suppose we are taking 6,140 over. Okay. How to check this one is divisible by 6 or not? First check whether it is divisible by 2. Then next step, check whether it is divisible by 3. First divisible by 2. As the last place, ones place digit is 1. So it will not divisible by 2. Yes, though?
Yes, ma'am. It needs to be an even number.
Basically, to be if we divide by 2, it should be the last place digit or the ones place digit should be an even number. But here it is
Yes,
odd
ma'am.
number. So this number is not divisible by 2. These 2 rules not followed. Then no need to move for the next one. Okay. Just like Gadha, don't do, oh, it is not divisible by 2. Now just let us check whether it is divisible by 3 or not. Okay, don't do that. If one condition is not satisfied, then stop here. Ultimately, that number will not be divisible by 6. Let me take another number. It will be very much clear then. 2,142. Okay. Now let us check. It is divisible by 6 or not. First check divisible by 2 or not. Last place, ones place digit is 2 though. So it is divisible
Ma'am, it
by
is
2.
divisible by 2.
Okay, done. Now by 3. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
By
It is
3.
divisible.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Also by 3.
By 3
Because
because 2
Sam-
plus 1, Sam is
9 it is.
9. 9. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So it is also divisible by 3. As it is divisible by both 2 and 3, then we can easily say, so
It is divisible by 6.
2,142 is divisible
Yes, ma'am.
by
It is divisible by 6.
divisible by 6. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, suppose any one property is not satisfied, suppose by 2 or by 3, any one is not satisfied, but another is satisfied, then also not divisible by 6. Okay, then by 6 will not be satisfied. Mute yourself. So divisible rules of divisibility by 6 is clear.
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
Okay, now let me explain by 6, the same thing for 12. Okay, let me explain for first 12 because there are some similar points. Okay, 12 also we have to break it into two numbers, whether we have to check these two numbers are co-prime or not. Look, we can write 3 into 4. Also, you can say, ma'am, we can also write 6 into 2. Yes, Tom. But this number
Yes,
we are
ma'am.
not going to take. Why? Because 6 and 2 both are not co-prime number. But 3 and 4, these are co-prime. So break it break it in the multiplication form of two co-prime number. Understood? So 12 is equal to 3 into 4. 3 fourths are co-prime. So if divisible by 12 means it is divisible by 3 as well as divisible by 4. Understood or not?
Yes, ma'am.
If a number
Yes,
is
ma'am.
divisible by 3 as well as by 4, then it will be. Now how to check these two? By 3 and by 4. 3 means to just add and check. And by 4 means last 2 digit check. Got it now? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now the same rule is for divisible by 15. Okay. 15 means we will write 15 is equal to, we can say 3 into 5.
5.
So if a number divisible by both the numbers 3 and 5, then it is divisible by 15. Up to this clear though?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Rules of divisibility by 7 and by 11. I'll explain tomorrow, then I'll start the exercise. Okay.
Ma'am, the time is over.
I know, beta.
Yesterday
The
you
time
have
is
absent
over.
me.
Yes, ma'am. The time is over.
Ma'am, in yesterday
I
you have
know.
absent me.
And ma'am,
yes,
I also had that both in that doubt also, that in 7 and in 11. Means can't
tomorrow
understand
I'll
also.
explain. Don't worry.
Yes,
Tomorrow
ma'am.
I'll explain. Okay. Yes. Wait.
Ma'am,